I have been in street dealing last year, and this year I think it's more artists, and then I can see their improvement from last year. I can see the difference after 1 year. It's quite different. It's really good. I'm here. I promise, and I come here. It's like going back to your hometown, because I feel Gaduh House, everyone is like family, and then I feel they are very friendly, very good person, and I like to talk to everyone because I don't feel like a stranger. Hey guys, my name is Kenji Chai. I'm from Malaysia and joining Street Dealing 10 for this year.
Hari ini kalian bakal ditemenin sama tim painting untuk muter ngeliat spot. Di Street Dealing 10, kita mulai mencoba menjadikan ini jadi acara yang lebih banyak kontennya. Salah satunya Kebayoran Project, sebuah keseruan juga di mana acara graffiti internasional nggak pernah dibawa sampai sejauh ini ke kampung. Ketika lo gambar, berapa langkah sedikit tuh orang-orang kampungnya udah bisa menikmati dan merespon lo secara langsung.
Hai, gue Source dan kita sekarang mau cek spot sama Street Dealing.
Ini adalah spot saya, Dolls, untuk Street Dealing 10.
Street Dealing 10 yang akan diadakan dari tanggal 5 sampai 10 Desember. Yang pertama ada Glut yang bakalan kita buka hari ini.
Glut, salah satu konten di Street Dealing 10 juga. Project lamanya Gardu, simpelnya kayak pameran stiker yang awalnya untuk komunitasnya aja, tapi sekarang udah dibuka untuk siapapun boleh join, siapapun bisa berkontribusi karena outputnya berbeda. Kita menyelimuti satu bidang yang terhitung nggak kecil.
Like December, we will like write the name on the spot.
Kata Kenji soalnya. Kenji.
Halo, gue Rushmich. Sekarang gue lagi pilih kaleng buat Street Dealing 10.
Hai semua.
Hi everyone, my name is Clockwork. I'm from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I'm a graffiti artist as well as an illustrator. About the Bayoran project, I feel so good and so nice because the local kids is so happy to see the great big graffiti and small graffiti and so colorful. Because they happy, I happy too.
Once I went to Thailand, the spots also like similar spots, but the vibe very different because there's many kids always asking for stickers. Oh, it's very fun. Yeah. And the spot is nice, very raw walls. Many artists want the wall to paint like this.
Tempatnya seru banget sih sebenarnya, karena di Singapura nggak bisa dapat tempat yang kayak gitu. Jadi beber kesempatan yang great banget, being there, try the environment juga, doing paint with like lots of kids around me. Tapi benar-benar fascinated sih karena nggak kesangkaan juga kayak antusias sebesar itu gitu dari masyarakat lokal juga, terutama dari anak-anak juga kayak young generation kayak gitu, which is very important sih karena just to keep up the scene, ya.
went there the first time and we were walking through that neighborhood, it was kind of strange, and I was thinking, where the fuck these guys going with us now? But at the end, everything was clean. It was one of the most incredible places I've ever been for painting. And it was so friendly. I've never been on an event like this, you know, and I really enjoyed that because it's special. Normally you are in a graffiti jam, you gotta live there, huge walls and sponsorships and stuff like that. But here it's like family, you know, it's friendly, it's familiar, the kids are passing by, the guys with the scooters. Yeah, but it's cool, I really like that.
Alhamdulillah lah, kira sudah diundang sini, sampai di sini dan ketemu dengan teman-teman yang lain, kira juga membuat teman yang baru gitu, lebih ramai koneksi dengan orang lain, bukan saja di Indonesia tapi juga di luar negeri. Ya sesuatu yang kira amazing lah, bukan semua orang bisa ada koneksi gitu. Iya, ya kiraannya graph life ya gitu. Iya. Hari kedua di Kebayoran Lama. Enjoy, santai. Oke, see you.
First, I'm privileged and honored to come to Jakarta to meet these people and like just hang out together. Yeah, it's very honored to be here. Yeah.
If you ever should have the chance to go to street dealing, do that. It's one of the best events I've ever been. I came here, incredible place, nice people, really good feeling. Everybody cares about us, and can't wait for tomorrow for the main event, you know.
안녕하세요. 저는 한국에서 온 그래피티 라이터 알타임 조라고 합니다. 저는 JNJ 크루와 스틱업 키즈에 소속되어 있는 아티스트입니다. 반갑습니다. 여기 와서 되게 놀란 것은 아무래도 그래피티 씬이 굉장히 크다는 것 때문에 놀랐는데, 한국에서 그래피티 씬은 이렇게 많이 크지가 않고 그래피티 하는 친구들은 서로 다 알 수 있을 정도로
kayak achievement bagi aku sendiri bisa jadi artis live painting internasional dengan artis-artis luar yang aku dari Sumatera, dari Medan, dan sekarang di street deal ini kembali lagi ke acara internasional di street deal ini ketemu sama artis-artis luar. Achievement tersendirinya buat aku.
In here, like Jakarta, graffiti scene is very big, and also everyone is like unity, you know, get to know each other, and yeah, there are no any fighting or bullshitting. My friend. Yeah.
Landscape itu kayak forum diskusi dari nonton bareng sebuah film atau dokumentasi, lalu kita bicarakan bareng-bareng tentang apapun perihal film itu atau yang masih berhubungan dengan film itu, ya bertukar informasi lagi sih.
Di sini aku represent dari Jogja buat datang ke Street Dealing 10. Ya, saya mewakili Yogyakarta. Nama saya Obi, nickname-nya SIC atau SIC. SICE, aku tambahin E. Karena tempatnya kegedean kalau buat aku. Aku gambar ini rasanya itu kayak bener-bener harus mikir 2 kali, bahkan 3 kali. Merasa tertantang aja, sebelahnya kayak gini, dia habisnya naik, Nah aku nyoba eksperimen lah. Di sebelah kiriku dia pakai warna banyak banget. Nah aku ikut warnanya dia. Ya ini yang bikin mikir lebih dari biasanya sebenarnya ini. Dan sangat merasa ya beruntung lah bisa bener-bener terjun ke atmosfernya event ini.
It's my first time ever in Asia. I've never been to Asia again, and so yeah, it's my third day in Asia. I really enjoyed it. Little spicy food. Whew. I have to arrange that as a European, you know. But till now, my stomach, everything is fine. That's our dedication to also to Indonesia, because always when we travel around and you paint in another foreign country or foreign city, for us it's always also a bit important to paint something a little bit something local, something special, and that's why we Nilko also painted that bowl, that really local thing, and yeah, it's our dedication. We love you.
Street dealing is an interesting event with like many communities of people, and do come down to Street Dealing 10 tomorrow. Yes, 10th of December, and enjoy the graffiti, enjoy the music, and buy merchandises. Yeah.
Don't you know what you mean to me? Open up, set your heart on free, blazing out in the sunshine. Oh yeah, getting hot in the sunshine. Oh, join me in the sunshine.
I think it's one of the biggest and one of the most interesting and maybe also the best graffiti events I've ever been. Definitely.
For me, street dealing is a part of hip-hop culture around the world, because it spread graffiti and hip-hop, and this is good because hip-hop is still growing up with this kind of festival, so perfect.
Street dealing itu ya transaksi jalanan, cuman Gardu House mengemasnya jadi kayak pesta graffiti besar, mengundang banyak teman, baik dari komunitas yang sama, musik, yang lainnya juga. Ya pokoknya kita melihat ini udah ajang berkumpul sih.
Sebenarnya gimana sih ceritanya gitu, hip hop sama graffiti itu akhirnya bisa ngeblend?
Street Dealing 10 tuh spesial banget karena kayak gue bilang, gue tiap Street Dealing pasti datang karena selain graffitinya, terus ada line up musiknya selalu keren. Jadi dari tahun-tahun kemarin gue datang itu sebagai penonton, Street Dealing 10 gue datang sebagai pengisi acara. Itu nggak mungkin bisa gue lupain sih. Street Dealing 10 tuh gokil, nggak ada lawan.
You don't know me like a motherfucker, you know me.
got myself a love is all I bring. I miss a love, 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 love. Love it and the thing that come from above. I miss a love, 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 love. Love is all I got myself a love is all I bring. I tell you love. Shaman I bring I tell you love. I love from above.
Ya, kita sekarang lagi gambar juga nih, gaming di setelah Street Dealing sih, setelah Big Bangnya Street Dealing sama teman-teman lainnya juga. Sebelum pada balik ke kotanya masing-masing, negara masing-masing. Gak afdol kalau nggak gaming dulu bareng-bareng.
Ya simpelnya kita pengen nge-challenge semua yang ada di scene ini untuk bisa nge-push lebih, dan kita pun berusaha untuk menyajikan yang lebih juga. Mau mungkin bentuknya jadi skala kota atau lebih besar lagi, ya we'll see.
Why don't you put that fucking phone down, darling, so we could be alone now? Can't you just be here when the lights go out? Why don't you ever put that phone down? What could be so goddamn important that it can wait until the morning? You got me right here with my clothes off now. Why don't you put that fucking phone down? Are you hiding something from me? 'Cause you move when I get close. You're killing the moment, the window is closing. It's only supposed to be two of us. Put that phone down, please, put that phone down. Why don't you put that fucking phone down, darling, so we could be alone now? Can't you just be here when the lights go out? Why don't you ever put that phone down? What could be so goddamn important that it can wait until the morning? You got me right here with my clothes off now. Why don't you put that fucking phone down? Are you hiding something from me? 'Cause you move when I get close. You're killing the moment, the window is closing. It's only supposed to be two of us. Put that phone down, please, put that phone down. Why don't you put that fucking phone down, darling, so we could be alone now? Can't you just be here when the lights go out? Why don't you ever put that phone down? What could be so goddamn important that it can wait until the morning? You got me right here with my clothes off now. Why don't you put that fucking phone down? Now I'm feeling awkward, it's actually torture. You're making a fool of the both of us. Put that phone down, please, put that phone down. Why don't you put that fucking phone down? so we could be alone now. Can't you just be here when the lights go out and just put that phone down?
Yo, it's your boy Tuan 13 represent UBC. Gue datang dari Jakarta City. Now gue ada di Street Dealing 10 tapi nggak bakal berhenti sampai di sini karena mereka lah ada orang-orang gila dengan ide dan kreasi. Peace, yo.